Hey guys, Anthony here, Triple X RC Garage. I got the cars in the back. Going to go to my spot to run them real quick. I got two decal packs in the envelope here going to BBY Auto Graphics. Guess they watched my channel. Anyway, appreciate that. Anyway, it's getting ready to go in the mail. Today is Saturday the 11th, 7/11. And mailbox is not far from my house, so I'm going to go and drop this off in there. But anyway, going over to the post office, not post office, but the mailbox. Going to send this out right now. So anyway, just want to thank him for purchasing my decals, and that's it. Okay, so I'm here at the mailbox, and I'm not going to show you the front envelope because I don't want to show you his address. But anyway, it says the last collection time for today, which is today, Saturday, is 3:55 p.m. So anyway, if you're out watching it, just watch for your decals. I just put them in the mailbox, and thank you for buying them and watching and subscribing, I hope. Anyway, so on to the place to go run the cars. Hey guys, Anthony here, Triple X RC Garage. I hope the volume is good, you can hear me. Anyway, I'm out here at my little area where I run the cars, and today we're gonna run the orange Corvette body. So, as you know, you all see me put the splitter, extra wing on and all that, so that's been done to this body. And set up here out of the way. This originally was my Bandit build, and what I mean is it was a VXL Bandit, and the only reason it made it a VXL, even though I didn't get it with the motors and ESC, is the difference between your VXL Bandit and your standard Bandit with the 12-turn motor. I think it's 12-turn, but anyway, is the standard Bandit, the upper arms here, which would be these upper ones right here and right here, are plastic and they don't adjust. I don't think it'd make a difference building a race car with it because you're just going straight. But I do know I didn't like those before because they would break. So basically what you're doing is you just remove your front and your rear, and you put your LCG chassis and put it back together. It makes it longer, pretty much makes it like a Slash, but it's got Bandit arms on it, which brings them in so you could tuck them under the body. So that's why, if you don't know this, that's why. So, all right, take out the Pro here and find the right car on the model here. Model select. And we are going to...
5 minutes later.
I changed it, and of course I got it written up as the Nova. Well, let's make sure. And let's turn her on. Where's the switch? There, you're hiding here. Yep, that's it. Hey guys, we got it set up. Steering right, well, almost right. So you just go straight, right? Anyway. So I'm going to get the GPS out. Hope I brought it. Put it on here and we'll see how fast this thing goes. Be right back. Go ahead and throw the body back on. And yeah, someone made a suggestion one day about maybe I should go to a place that has no curbs. Well, I hate to tell you this, but I was gonna go check out the school. The school parking lot's got so many ripples in it, it's not even funny. And well, I just need to learn to go straight, I guess. But I'm gonna also have to learn how to let off the throttle as well. All right, it's ready to rock. Okay, let me heat up the tires. All right. Shadow, or move my shadow. Ready, set, go. All right, ready, set, go. Oh, one sideways. All right, ready, set, go. Okay, one more time. Ready, set, go. Ooh, rock. Okay guys, so I'm setting up the Chuckworth body, the Fox body with the Chuckworth chassis. Now this is a mid motor, which I know a lot of guys have mixed feelings, and I'm trying to not mix mine up yet until I get this done, tested and run. But I just need to do a couple things here. Okay guys, without the body, last time I was out here without the body, I wrecked and destroyed the wheelie bar. Well today, I don't have the Chuckworth wheelie bar on here. I actually have the wheelie bar from RC Race Innovation on here. It's a lot longer, but I figured that might help put some weight to the back wheels. I'm not gonna do it with the body yet. See something here. All right, let's see what happens. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to go into my travel here, see if I can adjust it. All right, let's see if that takes some of the get up out of there. Ready, set, go. Because apparently when you take the rear weight off of the car, by switching the motor around, plus I did put a 4.5 turn motor in this thing too, so it's a lot faster motor. And Yeah, just got to figure out how to keep it from spinning. I want to see if I can tell. Yes, I just did see a dip. One more time. It looks like to me a dip to the right. Let me reposition the camera and you guys can see what I'm talking about. Get ready, set. I'm gonna do this in slow motion. So she's dipping to the right. And what I mean by that is when I go to take off, it's dipping here on this side a little bit, causing it to turn that way. So I need to add more to this shock. So I'll be right back. Okay, I added a little bit more to that. Let's see what happens. Okay. So I think my biggest issues too could be tires as well. I was told that the Hoosiers do tend to spin a little bit more than normal, so. And I did try to order some DEs, but the DEs came in and I ordered the wrong ones. Anyway, that was when you're trying to buy stuff at nighttime and you're half asleep. All right, so I'm gonna go back into my travel. I'm just gonna lower it down. Let's see. We'll bring it down to like 75, which is ridiculous. Actually, yeah, 75. All right, let's see what happens. Ready, set, go. Not as fast as a one, two, three. Okay, doable. Eventually I want to turn it back up. Just got to get the car right. And also got to get this wheelie bar right. This is not the right wheelie bar for this. And I was just trying to add this in here to see. See what happens. I don't know, it might be too high up. Maybe just a problem. Ready, set. Yeah, she's still trying to turn left for some reason. I'm dragging a wire. All right, one more time. Ready, set. Ready. Set. Ready, set. This thing still loves to go that way. And it could have a lot to do with the wheelie bar maybe being up in the air too. I don't know. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out these chassis. Apparently, the guys from 707 pretty much said that these mid chassis are hard to tune, I guess, and you're better off with the rear one. So I may end up going back to my LCG chassis on this and taking this chassis off and sell it, I guess. If I can't get it to tune, maybe somebody else out there can. Apparently I can't. So this thing here just wants to go left no matter what. Like a NASCAR body wants to go left. So, all right, well that's the Fox. I'm done playing with the Fox. Let's move on. Okay guys, well, had a little bit of a break on the thing. My phone went into a heat alert. So apparently, even though it's supposed to be 73 degrees, the sun's still kicking butt out here. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's not 73 anymore. Well, GoPro to the rescue. iPhone is full and overheated, so we're going to GoPro now. And unfortunately, this is the last card I'm running, but I'm gonna set this tripod up the best I can. It's not gonna be as high up as the other one was, but it is what it is. So guys, stand by. Okay, we're recording. All right, let me heat the tires up. Actually, let me put it back over here. I've been running all the other cars. All right, I'll move the camera over a little bit. See what we get out of it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this one likes left turns. I mean right turns. Three, 2, 1. How am I dragging the front? Alright, time to adjust. Be right back. Let's see. Make an adjustment real quick. All right, try it again. 3, 2, 1. Not too bad that time. Three, 2, 1. Bang. Oh, it's the side dragging, not the front. Alright. Alright, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Wow, should go that way. Three, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Alright guys, I guess that's going to be it for today. I'll be doing some more testing this weekend, and don't forget, my son and I are going to be doing a body build. We're going to be bodybuilders. No, I'm just joking. Anyway, we're going to do some bodybuilding, him and I together. Pick up the camera here, give me a second. It's really hot out here. So anyway, my son and I, we're going to do some bodybuilding this weekend. Not bodybuilding, but putting together a 69 Nova clear body. Right now is going to be painted. We also got the Undercover RC Drag Wings to put on it, and splitter. And he's going to be doing work on it with my guidance. I'm a control freak, so it's going to be hard for me not to take over. So, but anyway, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget that like button down below, and remember, have fun with RCs.